This is the story of Ferruccio Lamborghini, the man who would one day create one of the most legendary supercar brands in the world.
Okay.
But his journey did not begin with luxury.
It's working.
Ferruccio was born in 1916 in the small farming village of Renazzo. His parents were farmers, and life was simple. While other children played in the fields, young Ferruccio was fascinated by machines.
Like this?
He spent hours repairing farming equipment, studying engines, and learning how things worked. Even as a child, his hands were already building his future. Then the world was shaken by World War II. Ferruccio served as a mechanic in the Italian Air Force. Surrounded by aircraft engines and military vehicles, he worked tirelessly repairing machines under intense pressure. The war was harsh, but it sharpened his skills. Every engine he fixed made him a better engineer. When the war ended, Italy was struggling. The economy was broken, and farmers desperately needed machinery. But Ferruccio saw something others did not. Opportunity. Using leftover military parts, he began building tractors, simple, powerful machines designed for hard-working farmers. What started in a small workshop soon became something much bigger. In 1948, Ferruccio founded Lamborghini Trattori. His tractors were strong, reliable, and affordable. Farmers across Italy quickly trusted his machines. The company grew rapidly. Within a few years, the farmer's son had become one of Italy's most successful industrialists. But success brought a new passion. Fast cars. Ferruccio loved sports cars and owned several models from Ferrari. But he wasn't satisfied. The cars had constant mechanical issues, especially with the clutch. Determined to solve the problem, Ferruccio went to speak directly with the founder, Enzo Ferrari. According to legend, Ferrari dismissed him and said, "You may be able to drive a tractor, but you will never handle a Ferrari." Those words would change history. Instead of accepting the insult, Ferruccio decided to prove something. In 1963, he founded Automobili Lamborghini. His mission was simple: build a car that was not only powerful, but refined, elegant, and comfortable. A grand touring car that could rival the best in the world. Then came the breakthrough. In 1966, Lamborghini revealed the revolutionary Lamborghini Miura. With its stunning design and mid-engine layout, the Miura shocked the automotive world. It was fast. It was beautiful. And it helped define what we now call the supercar. Ferruccio Lamborghini did not build his company out of revenge alone. He built it from pride, innovation, and the belief that he could do better. From a farmer's son, to a tractor manufacturer, to the founder of one of the most iconic supercar brands in the world. The story of Ferruccio Lamborghini reminds us of a powerful truth. Sometimes greatness is not born from comfort. It is born from being underestimated.